cool! Morph into a Christmas sleigh!
Ooh!
Daddy, I brought all the magic pets so they can join our Christmas dinner. Yay!
Oh, Mila, that's a wonderful idea. But your Aunt Augustine is coming, and she...
What are these magic pets doing here? Hello, dear niece. Brother, I thought we agreed. Christmas dinner is for humans only, and not for magic pets.
Aunt Augustine doesn't like magic pets.
Come on, we have a dinner to prepare.
All right.
I'm sorry, guys.
First, we make mashed potatoes. Hand me the potatoes, please.
Ooh! Whoa! Ooh! Well, the potatoes are mashed.
Not funny, brother.
I told you we would have a white Christmas this year. Uh-oh!
Oh no! The cake is burning! You are the worst cooking help I've ever had. Why don't you wait in the living room? I'll take care of Christmas dinner.
I don't understand why Aunt Augustine doesn't like magic pets. Christmas is about celebrating together, and all the pets are our friends.
Morphle Mrs. French. Dinner's ready.
You'll have to stay here, Morphle. But I will save some cake for you. Oh?
It's not much, but it will have to do. Oh no! Our Christmas dinner is ruined!
Huh? I know who can help us. Okay, what do you want your new cooking helpers to do, Aunt Augustine?
Well, we need to clean the kitchen.
DUPLO, that's your job. And now?
Well, we need new potatoes. I still have some at home, but it's so far away.
Telefox can go get them.
And the oven! The oven is broken.
Morphle, morph into an oven.
Well, have I ever?
Let's all help Aunt Augustine with preparing dinner.
Whoa!
Wow!
I had a great time. Magic pets are not at all as bad as I thought they were, especially this one. He was a great cooking help.
Sporky is actually still looking for a new human companion.
Really? Well, what do you say, Sporky? Do you want to be, my magic pet?
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!